Hi friends, I'm Tarek and today I'm again with the new video of file protect workbook Excel protect file. So sometimes we have data we do not want user to touch our cell. We do not want user to make a single change in our file. We just want user to open the file, but we do not want user to make any changes, or we want to give a right to user what user can do or what cannot do. So we can use this protect file option, the protect sheet option. So like this, suppose I don't want user to make any changes in. So the moment you will click, user will try to enter any data, and the user will get this error. So how do we do that? Let's get started. Okay friends, to do that, all we need to do is to go to file and info, protect workbook, and into the workbook you need to go to the protect sheet option. So if you want, you can enter the password. If you don't need to enter that, you can leave it blank. That's optional. I don't want user to make any changes in my file, so I'll click OK. So the moment user will try to enter anything, user will get this error. And if and I just want to remove this option, then I'll go to this option and unprotect it. And you can also apply the same thing for, you don't need to go to the file again for this option. You can go to the protect sheet, and the moment you click on this, you'll get this option. And now I just want the user to mention the data in this area. Let's do this. Okay, so I just want to user to make changes in this area only, and apart from this, user cannot make any changes. So I'll go to format cells, and I'll go to the protection, and I'll go to the lock. I'll remove the lock button, and I'll click OK. And now I'll go to view, and I'll go to the review, and I'll go to the protect sheet. After opening this button, I'll click select unlock cells and then click OK. And now I can make changes in this, but out of this box, user will not be able to make any changes. You will not be able to select. In fact, user will not be able to go outside this. So there are a lot of more things to make changes in this. I'll make another video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, and we'll come again with a new video. So till the time, keep watching. Let's accelerate.